According to numerous surveys, every day literally millions of people suffer from negative feelings, fear of taking action, procrastination, unsatisfying work life, and negative self-talk. But if you improve a little bit every day, you can overcome these situations. No matter how great you feel, there are always ways that you can improve your life. Here are 10 ways to improve your life instantly. 1. Silence your phone. The biggest enemy of productivity is a distraction. The incessant need to check your phone can contribute to feelings of anxiety and restlessness. Turn off your notifications and turn on your senses. Your phone can have a way of distracting you and pulling you out of the moment. When you turn off those pesky notifications, you'll get interrupted less so that you can focus more and get a lot more done. By silencing your phone, you're creating an environment conducive to focused work or activities, thereby increasing your productivity. You'll also feel healthier and more self-assured if you're not feeling the need to look at your phone every few minutes. If an hour sounds like a really long time for you, start with just 15 minutes and gradually work your way up as you feel more comfortable not needing to look at your phone. 2. Identifying what's keeping you stuck. How to improve your life may be a matter of identifying those things that get in the way of said improvement. Are there certain events or people in your life that you feel have become roadblocks to your development? Recognizing patterns of behavior, thoughts, or emotions that contribute to feeling stuck. When you know what's keeping you stuck, you're better equipped to take proactive steps towards change. Instead of feeling helpless or resigned to your circumstances, you can actively address the underlying issues. Once you've identified the barriers to progress, you can engage in problem-solving strategies to overcome them. Whether it involves developing new skills, changing habits, or seeking support from others, you can approach the situation with a proactive mindset. Ultimately, identifying what's keeping you stuck is the first step towards moving forward. It sets the stage for transformation and positive change in your life. 3. Focusing on right now. Many people overly concerned about past mistakes or what will happen tomorrow. Anxiety often stems from worrying about the future or ruminating on the past. Focusing on self-growth and life improvement may require you to live in the present moment. When you focus on the present moment, you develop a heightened sense of clarity and awareness. You become more attuned to your thoughts, feelings, and sensations as they arise in real time. This awareness enables you to respond to situations more skillfully and make conscious choices aligned with your values and goals. By shifting your focus to the present moment, you can alleviate anxiety and cultivate a sense of calmness and inner peace. Focusing on the present moment fosters deeper connections and communication in relationships. This strengthens interpersonal bonds and fosters a sense of intimacy and connection. 4. Setting realistic and attainable goals. If you're setting sky-high goals from the start, you may end up feeling like you're not improving at all. Holding ourselves to goals that we cannot reach can damage our self-esteem and inhibit our interest in trying to reach these goals again. When setting your mind to reach a goal, ask yourself, is this realistic and can I actually attain this goal? If the answer is no, consider breaking the goal down into intermediate steps or modifying it altogether. Setting specific and attainable goals allows you to track your progress effectively. It reinforces the belief that you're capable of making meaningful progress and overcoming challenges, empowering you to tackle even bigger goals in the future. It also enables to manage your time. Managing time efficiently is key. Time management helps you achieve more, improve focus, stay motivated, and avoid feeling like you're wasting time. The feeling itself of being productive may improve your mood and your mental well-being. 5. Challenging negative thoughts. Everyone uses common cognitive distortions to explain everyday situations. These are filters you inadvertently put on your thoughts that may make you see your world more negatively than it actually is. Cognitive distortions are the foundation for negative thinking. One way of challenging these negative thoughts is to focus on the evidence rather than the thought itself. Often, your mood may be a result of the things you think. If you change the way you think, you may see a change in the way you feel. The more you challenge negative thinking, the more you can improve your life. When things aren't going right, ask yourself, could things be worse? Or is there anything I can take out of this that can be a benefit to me? More often than not, there's a positive aspect to things that happen, even those that feel negative. We had made full video on how to kill your negative thoughts, which will help to overcome from negative thoughts. Next in the list is spend some time alone. Many people don't spend time alone, which is the biggest mistake they do because they don't able to know themselves in a better way. When you're alone, you have the freedom to explore new ideas, pursue creative interests, and engage in activities that inspire you. Being alone gives you the chance to recharge your batteries and relax. It allows you to unwind from the stresses of daily life and rejuvenate your mind, body, and spirit. Alone time provides a space to process and regulate your emotions. It allows you to acknowledge and work through difficult feelings, such as stress, sadness, or anxiety, in a healthy and constructive manner. This emotional self-care can enhance your overall well-being and resilience in the face of life's challenges. Most of the successful people find innovative ideas when they are alone. Alone time cultivates an appreciation for solitude. It teaches you to find peace and contentment within yourself rather than constantly seeking external stimulation or validation. 7. Spend some time in nature. The term forest bath references a physiological and psychological practice that first emerged in Japan in the 1980s. The exercise, also known as Shinrin-yoku, was developed to achieve two goals: antidote tech burnout and inspire residents to connect with and protect the country's green spaces. Studies show that a minimum of 2 hours a week spent in nature, either at one time or over several visits, is needed to significantly increase your health and well-being. Spending time in nature allows you to disconnect from the constant stimuli of modern life, such as screens and notifications. This break from technology gives your mind a chance to rest and reset, leading to improved focus, concentration, and mental clarity. Many people find solace, inspiration, and spiritual nourishment in nature. Spending time in nature can be a deeply spiritual experience, providing opportunities for reflection, introspection, and connection with something greater than oneself. 8. Everyday physical and mental activity. Research indicates that modest amounts of exercise can make a real difference. No matter your age or fitness level, you can learn to use exercise as a powerful tool to deal with mental health problems, improve your energy and outlook, and get more out of life. A recent study found that running for 15 minutes a day or walking for an hour reduces the risk of major depression by 26%. Exercise can help provide sharper memory and thinking, higher self-esteem, better sleep, and stronger resilience. We generally misunderstood when it comes to physical activity. You don't need to devote hours out of your busy day to train at the gym, sweat buckets, or run mile after monotonous mile to reap all the physical and mental health benefits of exercise. Just 30 minutes of moderate exercise 5 times a week is enough. And even that can be broken down into 2 15-minute or even 3 10-minute exercise sessions if that's easier. Mental activity promotes lifelong learning and personal growth. It encourages curiosity, critical thinking, and intellectual exploration, leading to greater self-awareness and understanding of the world around you. 9. Practice gratitude. Gratitude involves showing appreciation for the things in life that are meaningful or valuable to you. Research source shows that practicing gratitude improves the way you feel about your life and your overall life quality. You can become more grateful every day by mentally or physically listing all the things that are positive and healthy in your life, recognizing the skills and qualities you've developed in yourself, verbally expressing thanks to important people in your life, ending your day by thinking about the positive things that you experienced today. Practicing mental subtraction can also boost gratitude in your life. 10. Ask help, provide help. One of the best things for self-improvement is to set an intention for your life, your day, your hour, and everything you do. In this process, you required help from people around you. Asking for help when facing challenges allows you to access resources, support, and expertise that you may not have on your own. It empowers you to tackle obstacles more effectively and find solutions that you might not have considered otherwise. Providing help to others allows you to make a positive impact in their lives. Whether it's offering a listening ear, practical assistance, or emotional support, your help can make a significant difference and improve someone else's well-being. Asking for help and providing help are essential components of building meaningful relationships, fostering a supportive community, and promoting personal growth. As we bid farewell to these discussions, one bonus tip I would like to remind you is read, and read as much as you can. Benefits of reading you know much better. This will change your life. Like and subscribe to us for more knowledge. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. There's a wealth of information out there. Make use of it. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.